Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Parker's World!
Yeah, today we're gonna eat Jollibee Mukbang. Diba?
I'm gonna eat it all.
Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Let's do this.
I like fries.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Yeah, masarap.
Okay. Some gravy on there.
First,
What's your favorite?
favorite is spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Fried chicken.
Nice.
What's Shanghai?
Might be nice.
So, is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So order a big one. Burger steak.
Spaghetti. Let's try this.
And it's spaghetti. This is the first time I'm gonna eat spaghetti.
Not sure. I'll have it.
Oh, not with me. Maybe with the other girl.
Maybe. It's okay. You know what I mean? What's this one?
Oh, that's for Shanghai.
Nice.
Spaghetti. Mahal yun. Sapa. Sapa. Sapa and chicken good.
Sapa? Chicken joy? Sapa chicken joy.
Then we have pineapple juice. Should we shout out their name? Diba?
Who's next?
The people that follow us.
Go for it. Well, I actually don't think I'm going to be able to eat all this. It's a lot of food.
So you go. Shout out po kay Garnet? Garnet Lauren.
Yeah.
Hello Sisi, grabe talagang panic buy. Opo, takot po si Kenny magutom. Diba?
Opo. Shout out to Uncle Vinny
Oh,
and Aunt Sherry
Hello!
for supporting the channel.
Yeah, I hope to see you soon.
Next year.
To Christine Mag-abog. Ganda naman ang bahay sa inyo po ba yan, sis? Hindi po sa amin tong bahay. It's not our house.
It's a rental.
Kasi po, naabutan kami ng lockdown dito sa Iloilo. Sunny Smith Gamarcha. Bahay niyo ba yan sa Iloilo? Hindi po namin to bahay. Ken, red lang po. Of course, to my best friend, Angela Henry. Nice home. Stay safe, guys. You too. Keep watching. Yeah. Jinky is puerta.
Yeah. Ganda na inakuhan nyo sis. Ingat kao dyan.
Thank you, Paul. She said it's pretty house. The one that we
Yeah. Pretty house.
It's really pretty. Lisa Tulyao. Nice. Stay safe. Hello. Thank you for following. Elma She said, hi, nice view. Opo, nice view po yung bahay namin.
Eat something.
They asked how we met.
How did we meet? Secret. Sorry, store.
Oh, really?
Let's go. Pao, Po Chilan 30 Centro. Give us pan to meet, please. What do you think about it? When the lockdown is over.
Where?
Oh, I don't know where she goes.
How can we do that then? How do you tell us?
Milet Moreno. God bless you, both of you. Stay sweetness and keep the center in your relationship, our God, Almighty God.
Reading.
Yeah. She said, Bill Patino. Sweet naman po. Are we sweet?
I am. You. My favorite. This was my favorite. Tuna pie.
Nice.
Spicy tuna pie. I think this is an ube. Oh, no. It's got this purple line on it. Maybe it was next to the bed. Masarap. Yummy mas.
Rialyn Penaplor. Hi, new here po. Hello, thank you for subscribing. Oh, of course. Agnes Tapa. Hi, ate. Salamat po sa pag-follow back sa akin sa TikTok. You're welcome. Thank you for subscribing us. Jean Dikdikan. She said, Ma. She said,
She grinned.
yeah.
Emoji.
Emoji. Janet Parila. Hello! Thank you for following or subscribing to us. Please keep watching. Janet Ann Ardilar. He said, hi mom. I hope you notice me. Thank you, God bless. Thank you.
Eat some. This is supposed to be about eating Jollibee. I'm slow. I'm almost done.
Well, they want to shut their name.
That's true.
Give them a chance. Never.
It's okay. Not my favorite spaghetti.
Hindi niya po gusto yung matamis na spaghetti. Typical American. You know?
Opo.
No. That's mine.
Oh,
You want it?
no, no. You're gonna eat 2 hamburgers? What's up?
So, kaya pala. If we cannot finish this, guys, we're gonna eat it again later tonight.
Opo. No way. No way we could eat out. Oh, we just drink myself.
Matt, they said, what is your age?
I'm gonna cover this so it doesn't look too cold.
What is your age?
30. 28.
28?
Opo.
Do you guys believe that?
Yeah, 28. You're 30. Big reveal. Doce ocho. Is that right? 28? You say 28, doce ocho?
28.
28.
28.
28.
And Jollibee. Hina po siya kumain. Pero, you know, taba pa din.
Hmm.
So what we should do next time? Guys, give us some idea, di ba? What we can do for our next vlog. Di ba? Since the lockdown still extended, di pa din po kami makapunta kahit saan. Bahay-bahay muna. Di ba, baby?
Opo.
Vlog that we can do on our own.
Opo. Lockdown vlog.
What?
Lockdown vlog.
I thought it was like lockdown vlog.
Lockdown vlog. Vlog. Diba?
You should say hi to their names.
I'll read the names. There?
Yeah.
Milit Moleno. Salamat po. Natano Aguirre. Salamat po. Mulin DC Pelayo. Thank you po.
That's my guy.
Gotcha. That was it. Which one? Which one do you want? Okay, I'll read the names.
Okay, diba?
It's all the same people.
Really? Just Jezebel?
Jezebel?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a new one. Salamat po. Didn't you read that name? Jinky Espuerta.
Take it right.
Thank you po. Take it rice.
Yeah.
Baboy.
No, I'm not Babo. I'm still sexy. And I know it.
Magandang baboy.
Yes. Ang magandang Babo.
Magandang baboy.
What about you?
Pogi.
Pogi?
Babaero.
Poging mataba na babaero. You sing the Kawawang Koboy.
I don't know how to sing Kawawang
Just
Cowboy.
the chorus.
What is the chorus?
Kawawang Koboy.
Ang Kawawang Cowboy. I don't know the words to that song. You just always tell me to sing it, but I don't know the words to that song. Learn them for next time.
Next time po, magkakanta na siya ng Tagalog. You sing Tagalog?
Sometimes.
Mahal kita. Di ba? What is that? Pero.
Polo.
Pero.
Oh. No, I'm busog. I eat.
They said they hope that they have a boyfriend like
Who says that?
do cooking, do cleaning.
Mm-hmm. Stay single, guys. I mean, I love you. Mahal kita.
That's so sweet. They said we should do some prank. I should prank you.
You couldn't prank me. I would see through it. I could prank you. I'll sneak up on you and scare you. That's easy. That's the easy prank. I mean, that's not even a challenge. I could scare you 10 times a day, easily. You're scared all the time anyways. About what? They can see you. It's not your business. Jeez.
They asked me what is my hair routine. What is my
Hair routine? What hair
my
routine?
secret for my
What hair
because
routine?
it's really long.
Run a brush through it sometimes? Take a shower every 3 days? That's your hair routine?
Hindi po.
Well, yeah.
Next vlog po, gagawa ako ng hair
Hey,
routine, di ba?
you want to know how to get her hair routine? Is just don't wash it. That'll get there.
Mabango? Mas mabango. na
Mabango.
kasi.
Mabango.
Yeah, mabango.
Ikaw.
Yeah, I am mabango all the time.
Popo. Uto.
You, mabango.
Ikaw. Hindi.
Mabango, ikaw.
Hindi. Never. Well. So you're trying to eat a piece of chicken with a plastic spoon. Is that working out for you? Yeah? Looks like you're struggling. You're still working on that same piece of chicken that you've had for the last 20 minutes.
I ate more rice than a chicken.
Uh-huh.
What ulam? You finished?
I'm finished. I ate all the fries because they'll go bad if they get cold. You gotta finish those. You can't leave those for later. What's in there? Did you throw bones in there? You finished? Alright. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Stay safe, stay healthy. Please, if you like this video, leave a comment below.
And like.
Maybe like, share, subscribe. It really helps us out.
And we do something different. Still thinking what we're next. Give us some idea, guys.
Happy lockdown.
Yeah. Keep safe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ingat.